Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Striking Vista. Today we will see the iconic Tower Bridge, London Bridge and the Shard in London, the capital city of England. So we just arrived at the London Bridge tube station. This is a very well built station and is the one from the Tower Bridge, London Bridge, Shard and many other tourist attractions are within a distance of 5 to 15 minutes walk. The Shard is a massive skyscraper in London and is 95-story tall. The views from the skyscraper is just outstanding. So we moved on to the Gallary, which is just a 5 minutes walk from the London Bridge tube station. It's quite unique and very lively. Various artworks, iconic red telephone booths, artistic roof, bars, cafes and restaurants make it really awesome. You can have the food and the drinks here while enjoying the amazingly modern architectural wonders across the River Thames. Now this is the London Bridge, just outside the London Bridge tube station. It is situated over the Thames and you can get some amazing views of the Tower Bridge from this one. This is also a place where you can get some excellent shots of the architectural wonders that is situated across the River Thames. This bridge is very well complemented by the amazing buildings that are situated just nearby. The historic HMS Belfast ship is also docked here for the tourist. You can purchase the ticket here to visit it from inside. Now this is the iconic Tower Bridge. This is the iconic Tower Bridge view during the evening time. The entire area is very lively here and I like it very much. I have visited it a number of times and it's really a great feeling to be here. On the other side of the Thames River, you can see this huge aesthetically designed tall buildings. And also the Tower Museum. The famous Kohinoor diamond is also kept here in this museum. Now let's take a closer look at the Tower Bridge that is illuminated by lights in the evening time. It's just amazing. For the photographers interested in the cityscapes and the architecture shots, this place is just heaven. You can take a tour to go to the top of the Tower Bridge and walk on the glass floor. There are music fountains, the city halls, bars and cafes nearby where you can choose to have the food or simply relax while enjoying the cityscapes. Sunset time is especially awesome here, where the entire landscape gets drenched in the golden light. The children love to play in the music fountains here. The glass buildings in the background look really awesome too. The city hall here is a nice place, and the shape of this building is really quite unique. You can take a boat tour in the river Thames that normally lasts from 15 minutes to about an hour. So enjoy the rest of the video here and let me know how you find it in the comment section. By the way, do subscribe to my channel Striking Vista if you like the video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you and have a great day ahead.